Women, what hints have you given your crush that they missed? 1. We snuggled all night watching a movie together. Then, when he went to leave, I tried to kiss him goodbye, but he rejected it and drove away. Dejected, I went back to my room to sulk. He calls me 10 minutes later asking to meet me outside. I get outside and he shouts in disbelief, "Wait, were you trying to kiss me? Does that mean you like me?" Boy had legit driven away and called his friend because he was confused and thought I was giving mixed messages about liking him or not. 2. My mother-in-law met my father-in-law when they both worked at a pizza place as teenagers. She was really into him, so she'd go in on her nights off to help slice tomatoes and onions, and dropped hints to him for months, but he never picked up on any of it. One night she'd brought Hershey Kisses and went to put them in the cooler and asked if he'd like his kisses cold. He said, "Actually, I prefer warm kisses." So she said, "Okay," and kissed him. That was when he realized she liked him. She blushes when she tells the story, as she admits that was very unlike her, but her gut said to go for it. They've been married for 40 years.